Today we're going to discuss 5 reasons why I believe towards the end of 2022 could potentially be one of the best times in history to invest in real estate in Florida. Stay tuned. Number one is that there's still a lot of people wanting to move to Florida. Florida is still very hot and affordable compared to other states. And imagine now, if there's a little bit of a correction of the price, it's a win-win-win situation. Number two is that seasoned real estate investors know better. They know that when people are scared in the market, it's the best opportunity to invest, okay? And at the same time, when you look at the fundamentals of very low unemployment, you know that you're still gonna get those tenants for your properties and you're still gonna get those buyers for your properties, but now you're gonna be able to find the properties a lot cheaper. Number three is, let's be honest guys, we're not gonna go from a very strong seller's market to a collapse. We gotta go through the motions, we gotta go through the wheel. So we're gonna go from a seller's market to a balanced market, okay? What is a balanced market? It means that whatever effort you put is the results you're gonna get, right? So this is where your skills as a really good flipper, really good landlord is gonna pay off. And by the way, if you don't have the experience, team up with a team like us that has the experience. So when you do this, right, what's gonna happen is you're gonna have a more exclusive product. You're gonna compete more than other people, while other new investors are gonna fall off because they don't have the experience. Number four is that you have the best liability insurance called inflation, and everything else fails. If you're not able to sell the property, you know that with inflation, your rent is gonna continue going up little by little, from $1,000 to $1,200 to $1,300. We've seen this already. So inflation is your friend right now. Five, if there hasn't been any other asset that has made as many people millionaires as real estate, okay? Time has healed the wounds of my mistakes in the past, but that's the beauty about real estate, that if you stick to it long term, it's gonna be fine. Rents are gonna go up, you're eventually gonna get equity, even the ups and downs. So real estate is it. Does not have an unlimited amount of supplies. It's the only thing that they're still not making more of, which is land. So invest away, always be investing in real estate. This is Jorge with Graystone Investment Group, where you invest and we do the rest. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you.